Normally, when you adjust the switch, the wiper seat will move downward or rise, and the light of solenoid will be on or off. If not, it might be some dust stuck in the solenoid. Before cleaning the solenoid, you will need to release the pressure. After the pressure reaches to zero, lock it up. Now disassemble the left head of solenoid. Then use wrench to release the screw nut. Release the screw nut on the other side of the solenoid. Make sure the spring is still inside of the screw nut. Now you can take the piston of the solenoid out. Pull the piston out carefully and remain its direction. The front and rear direction should be the exact same as the direction you put out. Now you could start the cleaning of solenoid. Use pneumatic gun to blow inside of solenoid. Make sure the dust blow away. Blow in both directions to make sure it's clean. Also make sure the piston is clean. Now start to assemble all pieces back to original position. Assemble it back carefully and make sure all spare parts are assembled in order. The piston should be able to move front and rear smoothly. Now lock all screw and screw nuts back and tighten it up.